नमस्कार। श्री श्री रामकृष्ण कथामृत तव कथामृतं तप्तजीवनं कविभिरीडितं कल्मषापहं श्रवणमङ्गलं श्रीमदादतं भुवि गृह्णन्ति ये भूरिदा जनाः। श्री श्री रामकृष्ण कथामृत प्रथम भाग षष्ठ खंडो और द्वितीय परिच्छेद. We are reading the second chapter of the sixth section of the first volume of the Gospel of Sri Ramakrishna in Bengali. And in our previous reading in this second chapter, Sri Ramakrishna had told us that I'm going to tell you a story. Now, what is the story? The background for this particular thing is Sri M has asked a question to Sri Ramakrishna. When Sri Ramakrishna had praised the great, the quality of the charity with which Sri Pandit Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar was performing those acts of charities for the betterment of the humanity, and he had told that this is out of daya, this is out of compassion, and these kind of acts are far superior than the acts done through maya, the attachment to one's own loved ones. And then Sri M had this doubt that does this daya, does these acts of compassion, daya o ki ekta bondhon, does this act of compassion also kind of a bondage? And then Sri Ramakrishna had answered Sri M, the Master Moshai, that that is a very subtle concept. What is daya and whether it is also an act of bondage? Because daya basically, it comes from sattva guna. As it is, all the acts in Prakriti are because of the three gunas. The sattva, rajas, tamas. The entire happening in the Prakriti is because of these three gunas. Then Sri Ramakrishna told, it is the rajas, this the activities of Prakriti, creation, preservation, destruction. How they are controlled by the three gunas. The rajas is the creator. The process of creation because rajas is activity in itself. Then comes the role of sattva, preservation, that compassion, that kindness, the love for all. It all comes out from sattva. And finally, it is the element, it is the quality of tamas which results in the dissolution, the destruction. And again Prakriti going back into the Brahman. But Brahman by itself is not at all controlled or affected by these three gunas. And saying this, Sri Ramakrishna had told that Ekta gulpo boli shuno. Listen, I'll tell you a story. And this is a wonderful story that Sri Ramakrishna is going to tell us. Sri Ramakrishna is telling this story. একটি লোক বনের পথ দিয়ে যাচ্ছিল. Once a man was going through a forest, a path in the forest. He was walking, and what happened? এমন সময়ে তাকে তিনজন ডাকাত এসে ধরল. And that time what happened? Three robbers, three dacoits, they came and caught hold of him. তারা তার সর্বস্ব কেড়ে নিল. They robbed him of all his possessions, whatever he had. And then after robbing him of all the possessions, what was to be done of this fellow? একজন চোর বললে, আরে লোকটাকে রেখে কি হবে? One of them, one of those robbers, he said, why keep this fellow alive now? Why keep this man alive? এই কথা বলে খান্ডা দিয়ে কাটতে এলো. Saying this, what is the good of leaving this fellow alive? What he did, he just stepped forward, took a sword with the intention of killing him. That was his intention. We have robbed him of everything. What good of leaving this fellow alive now? Let us kill him. Saying so, he took off his sword and went to that man with the intention of killing him. তখন আর একজন চোর বললে, না, হে কেটে কি হবে? Then the second thief, the second chor, the second robber, they said that he said, no brother, what use is it to kill him? It won't be of any good to us. Rather, what he said, এতে হাত পা বেঁধে এখানে ফেলে যাও. Rather than killing him, what is the good of killing him? We have taken whatever we wanted. We have robbed him of all his possessions. Now, why unnecessarily get into another complication of killing him? Rather, এতে হাত পা বেঁধে এখানে ফেলে যাও. Just let us tie his hands and feet and leave him here. As it is, we have got what we wanted. Why bother taking his life? That is the second robber. He told us, let us tie his hands and feet and leave him here in the middle of the forest. তখন তাকে হাত পা বেঁধে এখানে রেখে চোরেরা চলে গেল. Then, tying his hands and feet and gagging his mouth, all those three thieves, they just left that fellow there and they took their way. They started going their way. And then what happened? কিছুক্ষণ পরে তাদের মধ্যে একজন ফিরে এসে বললে, আহা, তোমার কি লেগেছে? And when those three, they were going, after a while, one of those robbers, they came and returned to this fellow. And that fellow, he told this person whom they had robbed, whose hands and feet they had tied and left him there, he said, this third robber, the third thief, what he said? He said, aha, তোমার কি লেগেছে? Are you suffering? Are you hurt? Look at the third thief. এসো, আমি তোমার বন্ধন খুলে দিই. Come, my friend, I will untie your the ties. I will untie the bonds that we have tied with this rope. I will just make you free. I will set you free. তার বন্ধন খুলে দিয়ে চোরটি বললে, আমার সঙ্গে সঙ্গে এসো, তোমায় সদর রাস্তায় তুলে দিচ্ছি. Now, look at this third thief. He untied that person. They had tied him and left him there. This third person, third thief, came back and asked him, in fact, are you suffering? Untied him and further said to him, আমার সঙ্গে সঙ্গে এসে, you come with me. তোমায় সদর রাস্তায় তুলে দিচ্ছি. I will set you, you come with me, and I will take you to the right path. I will show you the way. I will take you to the main road. You have wandered, you don't know where you are in this forest. I will take, we are robbers, we are well versed with this forest. We know how to reach the main road. I will take you to the main road. Look at the third thief, telling this person whom they had robbed, telling this man of whom they have taken all his possessions, and then finally tied his hands and feet and left him there for the beasts of the forest to come and take care of him. So this fellow has set him free. And not only that, he is asking him, are you suffering? And telling him that, come, I will take you to the main road. And then অনেকক্ষণ পরে সদর রাস্তায় এসে বললে, after coming to the main road, after a long time, then he said, এই রাস্তা ধরে যাও, এই তোমার বাড়ি দেখা যাচ্ছে. We have come to the main road. Now take this path. Walk on this road and you will see your house. You will see your place. তখন লোকটি চোরকে বললে, now that third thief had set him free and told him, look, this is the road. You walk on this road, you will reach your home. Now this Lokti, this man tells the thief, tells the robber, he বললে, মশাই, আমার অনেক উপকার করিলেন. You have done such a great mercy on me, oh gentleman. Now he becomes a Moshai, the thief, the robber, who has robbed him of all the possession with his two associates. Suddenly there is a change in the behavior of this person now who is set free by him. This man who has been robbed, he says, oh gentleman, oh Moshai, you have done such a great mercy on me. আমার অনেক উপকার করলেন, এখন আপনিও আসুন, আমার বাড়ি পর্যন্ত যাবেন. Now you please do me a favor, you come with me, let us go to my home. Let me offer you something. Look, the person who has robbed him, now see the change of attitude in this man also. The moment his hands and feet tied up were untied, not only that, he was most courteously asked, are you suffering? And untying his hand and feet, that robber had shown him the path, telling, this path will take you to your home. Now this fellow says, oh gentleman, you have done such a great mercy on me, the great act of mercy. Come with me, let me take you home, let me treat you with some nice delicacies. Now chor bolle, then the robber says, na, amar okhane jabar jo noy, I cannot come there, I cannot come to your house. Police ter pabe. The moment I come there, the moment I come out there in the open, that the police will come to know that I am the one who has robbed you. I cannot go. I am letting you free. I have set you free. You take this path, you will reach your home. Now Sri Ramakrishna further says, Shangsharui Aranya. This entire world, this entire creation itself is a forest. We are all walking through this forest. এই বনে সৎপরজতম তিন গুণ ডাকাত জীবের তত্ত্বজ্ঞান কেড়ে লয়ে. In this forest of the creation, these three qualities, the sattva, rajas, tamas, they are the robbers. And they rob a person of tattva-gyan, of the spiritual knowledge. They rob the person of knowing who he is. They rob us. The sattva, rajas, tamas, they are all robbing us of knowing our true nature. Tamogun jiber binash korte jay. The tamas is bent upon destructing the person. They want to destroy him. Rajogun সংসারে বদ্ধ করে. The rajas binds him in this world of creation by performing actions. কিন্তু সত্যগুণ রজতমা থেকে বাঁচায়. But the sattva guna, the quality of sattva, protects one from the misdeeds of raja and Tama. সত্যগুণের আশ্রয় পেলে কাম ক্রোধ এই সব তমগুণ থেকে রক্ষা হয়ে once one takes refuge in sattvagun one is saved from the desire, anger, all these elements, all these qualities of tamogun, all these aspects of tamas, one is protected from when one gets uh, the shelter, when one gets shelter of sattvagun. সত্যগুণ আবার জীবের সংসার বন্ধন মোচন করে. Again it is this sattvagun. Again it is this sattvagun who loosens the bonds of the world, who loosens the ties of this worldly bondage. কিন্তু সত্যগুণও চোর, তত্ত্বজ্ঞান দিতে পারে না. Now Sri Ramakrishna has given this great truth. He says even the Sattvaguna is a thief. Even Sattvaguna is not capable of letting us know the self-knowledge, letting us know who we are. The Sattvaguna can only lead us to the path but cannot show us who we are. He can only take us to the path, that is your home. Go, you will find your home. You will find, it takes us to the path of knowing our true self. But the Sattvagun cannot show us, give us the ultimate knowledge. কিন্তু সেই পরম ধামে যাবার পথে তুলে দে. But he will take us to the path leading to Param Dham, leading to the Godhead, to the spiritual path. He can lead us to that path. দিয়ে বলে এ দেখো তোমার বাড়ি এই দেখা যায়. He can only take us to the path and say there you will find your destination, there you will find your own home, the Param Dham. যেখানে ব্রহ্মজ্ঞান সেখানে থেকে সত্যগুণও অনেক দূরে. And there where you get the knowledge of the Brahman, where you get the knowledge of the self, even there Sattvagun, it is afraid of going. So that is what the story that Sri Ramakrishna has told, that the three gunas will take your all possessions, but Sattva-guna will come and untie you, will take you to the path, will show you the path, but even Sattva-guna cannot come with you to that getting that ultimate knowledge of Brahma-jnana. Sattva-guna also hides from that place, like Rajas and Tamas. The Rajas and Tamas will not come at all to your rescue. They will keep on pulling you down, in fact. But Sattva, out of that compassion, out of that kindness, will untie you, will take you to the path, but still hide itself from reaching that path, reaching that ultimate goal of Brahma-jnana. So that is Sri Ramakrishna's wonderful story that he has told about the man robbed by the three robbers, and then the milder one, the compassionate one, the kind one, that robber coming and setting us free from all those bondages and setting us onto the path. But still, by himself, the third robber, the Sattva, is hiding itself from that ultimate knowledge, from the Brahman, because it also is not a part of it. Even with Sattva, we cannot know the Brahman. Brahman we can only know when we are beyond even the most loved quality, most compassionate quality of the Sattva. So that was Sri Ramakrishna's story. ओम नमः श्री भगवते रामकृष्णाय। श्री रामकृष्ण अर्पणमस्तु। जय श्री रामकृष्ण। जय ठाकुर। जय मां। जय स्वामी जी।